Looking good is good business anytime, any day. Yes, that's true. I first of all prep my hair and I'm going to be using this olive hair wax. It's a very nice product. It doesn't turn whitish. You're going to see the end results. Um, and first thing first, after prepping your hair, you just go ahead. I just went ahead to give the parting for the style. I give the parting. Welcome you to my channel. Please, if you're seeing my video for the first time, please do all to subscribe, like, comment, share. You can actually share to your friends in other platform. I'll be grateful for that. And then at the end of the day, if you like the end result, you can do well to like, comment what you think in the comment section. Yo. While I was parting the hair, I made use of a needle. Please, disclaimer, don't go and use needle. Yes, you can actually use your rate combo because I wanted that sharp part because I'm used to it. I did not use the part that is very sharp. I actually used the bottom part. I don't know if that makes sense. That's what I use. But for disclaimer, please don't go and use needle. Yes, this is me giving you my 2 cent advice. Thank you. So after parting the other side, I just went ahead to give a parting on the second part of the hair. So while doing that, please ensure that your part is as straight as possible and as neat as possible.
I came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast high. And we feeling that, feeling it, feel that vibe. We on Yeah, we do it better. We don't ever care. Ignoring the pressure, like it's not even there. Nah, nah. We feeling ourselves in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy. This is how we do. Dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah.
I applied the hair wax and the gel first before securing it because I wanted it to be as smooth as possible. It turns out smoother when you apply first before securing. After that, I secured it with a thread. Yes, I secured it with a thread and then I just went ahead to cut out the excess thread on it. Then I reapplied my hair wax to make it smooth and I used my brush. You can actually make use of any brush you find available. I used my toothbrush. I was not using that again. Yeah.
I came here to party. I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah. I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, Yeah, we do it better. We don't ever care. Ignoring the pressure, like it's not even there. Nah, nah. We feeling ourselves in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy. This is how we do. Dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. Oh, cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast high. And we feeling that, feeling it, feel that vibe. We on that, we on that, we on that. I came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah. I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast.
For the front part, after securing like the way I did at the back, I just went ahead to twist out into two portions. Please, if you've watched this video to this point, hey, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And then I just went ahead to roll it like so. Please just watch closely. You would actually understand. Keep watching. I rolled one portion and then moved the other portion of the twisted part to the back like this. I moved it to the back and then used thread to actually secure it to the back part. I don't know if you got that. You can actually rewind if you didn't get it.
I came here to party.